In Kevin HR's latest video, I saw that he was having major problems getting a good GPS lock with his Mini 2 after the Fly app update 1.7.0. Naturally, I was very curious to see how that would be with my Mini 2. So I installed the latest Fly app update and started up my Mini 2. See here the results. I had enough satellites for an home point update after about 20 seconds. So the GPS lock problems do not occur everywhere. My location is the north of the Netherlands.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Furthermore, I flew around a bit to see if there would be anything special going on, but I didn't notice any change with relation to the previous Fly app.
Aircraft entered altitude zone.
I have a nice stable signal and still a great drone to fly.